Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to invert a picture in Photoshop Elements. Now, it's a pretty easy process, and I have a picture in a frame here. Now, you'll notice that they're two separate layers, and I just want to invert this layer here. All I have to do is go Filter, Adjustments, and Invert. And it inverts just the picture. But if you wanted to invert this frame as well, you can just click on the frame, and you can hit Filter again, Adjustments, and then Invert. Or alternately, Control-I, and it'll invert that as well. We have a pretty cool blue frame now. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to invert colors on Adobe Photoshop Elements. Thanks for watching.